Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact Samsung model and Android version so you choose the right steps. Once done, backup photos and contacts. You may need the backup if settings reset. Make sure developer options are enabled if you plan to toggle advanced settings. Then verify battery level above 30% and a stable Wi-Fi or USB connection so the process doesn't abort. Now open Settings and locate Apps to find the Find My Phone launcher for the first actionable step. You now dive into the app controls. Open Settings, Apps, and choose Show System Apps to reveal the launcher package. Once visible, force stop it immediately to stop background activity, then tap Disable to prevent relaunch. Make sure to revoke all permissions and disable usage access so it can't monitor or restart. If updates exist, uninstall updates to return the app to a removable state. Finally, check Device Admin Apps and remove any admin rights so the launcher can be fully disabled. You finish by using ADB only if disable isn't allowed. Connect USB, authorize your PC, then run a DB shell PM uninstall user 0 package. Name to remove it for your profile. Once executed, reboot the phone and set your preferred launcher as default. Confirm the Find My Phone shortcut is gone. If something fails, boot into safe mode to test, clear the cache partition, or restore your backup. If it still persists, remove related Samsung account entries and repeat the admin rights check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.